Welcome to the Genna One Podcast. Right. Alright, people, enough of that. So now today we want to touch some very important topics, because right now it's the way dance all around. Me not like it. You see me? Music is music and you have to enjoy music any way you get it. You see me? Well, except for the foolishness where some man put out. Anyway, that's the next story. Today, I want to talk about the one and only Vybz Kartel's son who allegedly have somebody pregnant. Now, I think he's 18, 16, 15, something like that. Anyway, yeah. Man are 15 and them allegedly, them say have a youth pan away. Now, we're not going to jump to conclusion and say a female youth. Can be my cousin, can be my sister. We don't know. So we're not going to say, yeah, are the man pitney. You see me? We're not scandalous them way there. You see me? Genna One Podcast, we don't deal with them thing there. You see me? But if so, if it is his child on the way, congrats. But I want the youths them know say, yo, having a kid is much more than just. You see me? It's a very challenging thing. And you're only 15, you basically give up your childhood right now to raise an next child. You see me? But anyway, I want to tell the dog say, yo, if I hear us, congrats. But I want you to practice safe sex from now on. You see me? Yeah, man. Because we don't want you to say you have 5 more down the road, We want you to say you do music and you're in a school and them things there. You see me? We are trying to put positive things in the younger youth them nowadays. We don't want to know I do certain things where we don't really, and I say accept, but we don't want to see you throw your childhood life them way, yeah. You see me? A child is a blessing, Don't get it wrong or twisted, you see me, or misconstrued. But I want you to know, say you have to enjoy your life right now. This is a time where you have to enjoy your life. Yes, you have money, father have money, you can mine it and whatever the case is. But I want you to make sure, say, you keep it on a level. You see me? But in other stories, Busy Signal and Govana. No. What I'm about to talk about now is not something that I personally agree with, because if you're in a music, see me? And I'm gonna let's say I'm gonna imitate your style, as you say, your style. Now this style, when me know, if me know about music, me pretty sure say, who? What name? Professor Nuts. If I saw him name again. Yeah, so him name Professor Nuts. Him coming with a style, like him coming with the storytelling thing. You see me? Now Govana, as everybody know, Govana take over with Convo 1, Convo 2, with Idiot Man Chris, Girl Clown Chris. Big up yourself, Dino Crazy, yeah, the Genna. Good acting. Govana, very creative. Love that. As a podcast named Genna One Podcast. So we're not gonna come from here because we said Genna and people are gonna think say, yo, you see me, we're in the 4th generation gang. We are big fans of the 4th generation gang. I'm a very big fan of Idonia from me a little youth. Now me a big man, Rasta, grow a beard and thing. Anyway, want to say, yo, a governor, my advice to governor would be stay focused on make no man turn you off a your lane, you see me? So stay focused on your thing, brother. I see you help out Jerome in your neighborhood, give man a barber shop, and you do that through staying focused and doing music. So if let's say a man say, yo, yeah, thief him style, as a bigger head in dancer, why you never commend the man and make the man know say, yo, it's a good music, me like it, and you do a very good job, because the project was well put together. Anybody Governor plan this project with, or if him plan it himself, it did well put together, people. The project did well put together. When I watch the first one, I say, yeah, I love that trainer where Governor depend. He do something unique. You see me? He do something very unique. Now, let's say Busy Signal, as he said, created this style. Brother, if you want to see younger artists grow in a dancehall, brother, you have to hold each other and bring each other. You see me? You cannot tear down each other. It's like a crab in a barrel mentality the man them have. No man no want support. Yo, me tell every man this. You see, if every man support each other in this world, you'd have less crime and violence, because every man would know how it is to gain success, because every man would have helped each other. See me? And that's so. Are we own a race a kill winner, brother? Are we a kill we own ourselves, you know? We need to come together, brother, and say, alright, here what? Me, I go commend the man, and me I go help the younger youth in a dance hall for reach to a certain point, and for even escalate over you. Because if you look upon it, it was Bounty Killer and Vybz Kartel. See me? Bounty Killer, a giant in a dance hall. Bounty Killer is Bounty Killer. You see me? But now Vybz Kartel take the teaching, and now Vybz Kartel is Vybz Kartel, who is now recognized as the dancehall king. You get me? As the dancehall king. You see me? So we have to learn how to help each other, brother. Now, Governor put out him project, and I might get a good feedback from not just the people surrounding him, but him fans. You see me? And from your fans love it, you're not really business about nobody else, you know. From your fans love it and accept it, you're business about nobody else. You see me? So you as a man now, when you say you are the trendsetter, brother, I think you should have commend the man. I'm not going to say you mean it in a bad way. And if you mean it in a bad way, I'm not going to say so, I don't really know. But you should have commend the man and make the man know, say, yo, you love the project, because the project is very, very, very unique, and it is well put together. You see me? Now, we at the Genna One podcast, just want people to know, say, yo, you see, sometimes when them things that happen, we don't want everybody just jump in and start give them negative comments and them things there. You see me? We want people to know, say, yo, make we use our platform and try to build a next man. Whether it is dancing, music, YouTubers, whether it is a radio personnel, whatever it is. You see me? Right now, our podcast, we imitate other podcasts. We look and we learn. You see me? We idolize them, if I say. You see me? And we look and we learn. At the Breakfast Club, you see me? The Fix, we idolize them and we learn from them. You see me? So I just saw it go. You see me? The podcast is all about music and sports. You see me? And the reason why I say so is because when I look upon it, I say, yo, I don't think the schoolboy footballer them get enough exposure like how them should I get though. I feel like them need some more exposure so they can get out in this world. You see me? You get me? And we know enough club at Jamaica right now where hold down some man career. If you come at the MLS come play ball. But we not say nothing. We know the club them. You see me? And stuff like this we talk about. We not hold on our next man. Make the man them go free. Commend the man them. Give the man them a constructive criticism. You see me? When it is needed. Stop hold on people. We need to just hold each other hand and bring each other up. Dancehall can take over the world. But you see, because of the crab in a barrel mentality in a dancehall, see, Afrobeats gone ahead. Right now you gotta dance in a brother. If you know some old Sean Paul or some old Beanie Man Elephant Man in a brother. When you come a find, you know hear nobody else play nothing else in a brother. I'll be Afrobeats, you know. Wizkid, Burna Boy, the video. Okay? Tiwa Savage. And them people are real fun in a dance of a brother. We don't need to know so if it need to take out this crab out of boil mentality out of your sort of cranium and push each other. You see me? Enough big artists out there. You have comedian right now where I do music. Twani. You see me? I don't have to know him to support him, brother. He have a song named Honda and him remix it with Skilly Bang. And I listen to it and I like it. You see me? We're there in the studio, we play it. You see me? So I want the man to know say, yo, dog, we have to stop that thing, brother. So here what we are saying now. Then, I want to like and subscribe to this channel. We are going to have a free giveaway. As soon as we reach 1,000 subscribers, we are giving away a whole heap of credit. We are giving at least $500 credit. You see me? To 5 lucky subscribers. So, just subscribe. We're going to ask a various amount of questions, and if you can answer them right, or if you're close to the answer, we are going to give away some credit. So like and subscribe, people. Click the link. You can go in the description and you can find a whole heap of different things. If you want protein products, if you're in a fitness and you want protein products, you can go to orgain.com, type in my promo code, that's Dino11, that's DINHO11, and you can get discount on your order. You see me? And you can follow my fitness page, and you can also keep up with your meal prep. I give away free programs. You can also go to the couples channel. Alright, that's K and Dino, KAY and DINHO. So go over there, subscribe, like, share. Let me say, go to my fitness page, Quandino, QUANDINHO. Go over there, like, subscribe, and just keep up with the story. Them, you see me? So everybody keep blessed, stay blessed, love and out.